मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। मेरे पिता की जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता। Nobody can replace my father. Nobody can replace my father. उसने तुम्हें गिफ्ट भेजा है। He has sent you a gift. He has sent you a gift. इस परेशानी का हल निकालो। Find out the solution of this problem. Find out the solution of this problem. बेड पर खाना मत गिराओ. Don't spill the food on the bed. Don't spill the food on the bed. मम्मी के पास पैसे नहीं हैं. Mom doesn't have money. Mom doesn't have money. मेरे मामा ने तुम्हें पाला है. My maternal uncle brought you up. My maternal uncle brought you up. मैं तुमसे 10 बजे के बाद मिलूँगा. I will meet you after 10. I will meet you after 10. मैं जानता हूँ आप मुझसे नाराज़ हैं. I know you are not happy with me. I know you are not happy with me. ठीक होने के बाद आइसक्रीम खा लेना. Take ice cream after you get well. Take ice cream after you get well. मेरे बारे में सोचो. Think about me. Think about me. क्या क्लास में कोई नहीं है? Isn't there anyone in class? Isn't there anyone in class? ये टूटा हुआ दिल मेरा है. This broken heart is mine. This broken heart is mine. तुम खड़े क्यों हो? Why are you standing? Why are you standing? उसके पापा पिए हुए थे. His father was drunk. His father was drunk. मुंह ढककर खांसी करो. Cover your mouth when you cough. Cover your mouth when you cough. ये फायदे का सौदा नहीं है. It's not worthwhile. It's not worthwhile. बहुत सहा, बस अब नहीं. Suffered a lot, but not anymore. Suffered a lot, but not anymore. इस बात को अपने तक ही रखना. Keep it up to yourself. Keep it up to yourself. ये कोई और है. This is someone else. This is someone else. तुमने किसका नाम लिया? Whose name did you take? Whose name did you take? मैं तुम्हारा कौन हूँ? Who am I to you? Who am I to you? बालों में तेल लगा लो. Apply oil on your hair. Apply oil on your hair. हम नाश्ता कर रहे हैं. We are taking breakfast. We are taking breakfast. मुझे बहुत बातें करनी है. I have a lot to talk about. I have a lot to talk about. हालांकि मैं सोच रहा था, though I was thinking, मैं तुम्हारे जाने के बाद आऊँगा. I will come after you leave. I will come after you leave. आज बुधवार है, वो वीरवार को आएगा. It's Wednesday today, he'll come on Thursday. It's Wednesday today, he will come on Thursday. आजकल काम बहुत है. There's a huge work pressure these days. There's a huge work pressure these days. हमारे पास 2 दुकानें हैं. We have 2 shops. We have 2 shops. दिखाओ चोट कहाँ लगी है. Show me where you have been hurt. Show me where you have been hurt. जितनी भूख हो उतना ही खाना. Eat as per your appetite. Eat as per your appetite. मैंने ये बात नहीं कही. I didn't make this remark. I didn't make this remark. अच्छा समय आएगा. Better time will come. Better time will come. तुम कहाँ कुछ कहती हो. You hardly ever speak. You hardly ever speak. वह आज आ रहा होगा. He would be coming today. He would be coming today. मैं तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कर रही थी. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. वहाँ देखने को कुछ नहीं था. There is nothing to see. There is nothing to see. ये कहानी किसी और की है. This story is someone else. This story is someone else. अब तो बिल्कुल भोले हो. You are so innocent. You are so innocent. वो तुम्हारे लिए रुका हुआ है. He is waiting for you. He is waiting for you. उसे ये मत करने दो. Let him not do this. Let him not do this. वो पैसों के लिए यहाँ आया. He came here for money. He came here for money. यहाँ मत उतरो. Don't get off here. Don't get off here. मैं नहीं मानता. I don't believe. I don't believe. वह आजकल मौज में है. He is enjoying these days. He is enjoying these days. तुम्हें तो खांसी हो गई है. You have got cough. You have got cough. मैं आज ही नौकरी पर आया हूँ. I have joined today only. I have joined today only. कभी कभी घर आया करो. Drop in home sometimes. Drop in home sometimes. जितना हो सके साफ लिखो. Write as legibly as you can. Write as legibly as you can. बर्गर खाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. There is no need to eat burger. There is no need to eat burger. मुझे किसी तरह पता चल गया. I somehow got to know about it. I somehow got to know about it. खचपच मत लिखो. साफ साफ लिखो. Do not scribble, write legibly. Do not scribble, write legibly. हम रास्ता भूल गए. We have lost our way. We have lost our way. खुद के लिए तो हर कोई करता है. Obviously everybody does for himself. Obviously everybody does for himself. मैं क्या क्या खा सकता हूँ? What all can I eat? What all can I eat? करीब 100 किलोमीटर. About 100 kilometers. About 100 kilometers. हम ये सुबह तक निपटा लेंगे. We will finish it by morning. We will finish it by morning. तुमने मुझे जगाया क्यों नहीं? Why didn't you wake me up? Why didn't you wake me up?